Hello children, you are growing up. Do you still take the help of your mother in doing your daily work? Listen here what the baby says. Shall I brush your teeth, baby?
No, Mom, I will brush my teeth myself.
Can I feed you, my baby?
No, Mom, I will feed myself.
Can I wash your face, my baby?
No, thanks, Mom, I will wash my face myself.
Can I dress you, baby?
No, thanks, Mom, I will dress up myself.
Can I help you put on your shoes, baby?
No, thanks, Mom, I will put on my shoes myself.
Can I comb your hair, baby?
No, thanks, Mom, I will comb my hair myself.
Can I box your ear, baby?
No, thanks, I will box my ear myself. Oh, no.
Brushing teeth. Toothbrush. Teeth. Brushing teeth. Mothers brush their baby's teeth. But this baby,
I brush my teeth myself every day.
this baby girl brushes her teeth herself. This baby boy brushes his teeth himself. Do you? Feeding. Food. Feed. Mothers feed their babies. But this baby,
I feed myself.
this baby boy feeds himself. And this baby girl feeds herself. Do you? Washing face. Wash plate. Wash clothes. Wash legs. Wash hands. Mothers wash their baby's face. But this baby,
I wash my face myself.
this boy washes his face himself. Do you? Dress up. Boys dress. Girls dress. Dress. Mothers dress up their babies. But this baby,
I dress up myself.
this boy dresses up himself. Do you? Put on shoes. Shoes. Mothers help babies put on their shoes. But this baby,
I put on my shoes myself.
these boys put on their shoes themselves. This girl put on her shoes herself. Do you? Hair. Comb. Hair. Mothers comb their baby's hair. But this baby,
I comb my hair myself.
this baby girl combs her hair herself. This man combs his hair himself. Do you? Ear. Box ear.